It's LilKidd, cypher. Come back to Touky zone. You acting like you know me, but we ain't homie, broskee. We ain't homie, you don't know me. What's my motherfucking name? Talking shit about someone without knowing their face. You a straight up motherfucker, get your fucking facts straight. People say they know me, so they judge me like a book. People say they know me, that my lyrics like a hook. It's Southside Cali, don't talk shit about my hood. I'm so freshy that your girl saw my hook. I knock them down like dominoes, make you feeling shook, homie. You know chokehold, fuck it, you know too slow, and then you blow it too fast. Wait, you mad now? Fuck you, just a hoe. Never get into my level. Well, this is California. Sorry I didn't inform you. The homies heard you rap, mayne said that it's wack. So stop your yapping about me and your rap. The name's LilKidd, get your motherfucking facts. Cali don't snow like Appleton, bro. The weather is nice, you see your Asian girls everywhere you go. To the beach, to the mall, even at a kickback, Asian girls everywhere. กูอย่านำเบอร์อีกูอย่านำเบอร์คิงกูเก่งชาทุกกี่ซองกูละให้ซินเนอร์ก็ทอขี้ออกก็ทอชีเนอร์กูเก่งชาโทรลินทัวตู I'm out. Later.